accoTOOL is a way of unlocking writeback in Power BI. It's a way of achieving writeback and being able to both budget, forecast or master data management directly in Power BI. I'd like to think about it in a way where we have already adopted a smarter way of approaching our data, and we are already adopting a strategy of using our data for a lot of very interesting processes. Why not also start looking at increasing our value as a business, our data as a business through our writeback or through our budgets, but doing so with the existing data that we've spent a lot of time and effort on achieving in Power BI. It doesn't matter if you're on-premise or if you're cloud, it doesn't matter if you're in a Fabric environment already. The visual is supporting every single use case, every single source that you may want to write your data back to. From our point of view, the idea and the vision is to stay as close to Microsoft as possible, so everything happens in and around the Microsoft stack.